If you get sick in China, what should you do? Go to the hospital. Hospitals in China are divided into two main categories: public hospitals and private hospitals. Public hospitals are run by the national or local government, while private hospitals are funded by individuals or enterprises. The vast majority of people choose public hospitals because they can use their medical insurance card there, which greatly reduces out-of-pocket expenses. So, where does the medical insurance card come from? There are two main sources. Employee medical insurance. For people with a job, the employer pays for social insurance, including medical insurance, on your behalf, and you also contribute a portion. The medical insurance card is usually arranged or guided by the employer. Resident medical insurance, including the new Rural Cooperative Medical Scheme for farmers, students, and unemployed residents. Every year, within the time set by the government, you can pay the premium at your registered community, village committee, or through online platforms. The government also provides subsidies. So, how do you choose a public hospital? Public hospitals in China are divided into three levels: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Each level has three grades: A, B, and C. Serve communities or towns with fewer than 100 beds. Focus on common and frequently occurring diseases. Serve districts or counties with 100-500 beds. Handle most diseases and provide emergency care. Provincial or national centers with over 500 beds. Treat complex and critical cases and undertake teaching and research. Grade A, highest standard. Grade B, intermediate standard. Grade C, basic standard. Today, I'll walk you through how the medical visit works in China.
这个泡水喝的，
泡水，
对，
就是按这个是吧？
一方。
啊。
本窗口的药已取完，请核对。您在本窗口的药已取完。